Well, good morning to Lake Havasu, and we're going to head up to the Valley of Fire. It's about 3.5 hours north of here. It's about an hour out of Las Vegas. It's trying to take me around the left hand side through the Valley of Fire, but I want to go around the right hand side. Apparently it's a better direction to run, and you get the perspective of Lake Mead on your right, then you turn left through to the Valley of Fire. Showing 3 hours 6 if I go in the direction that it suggests. Check out these fellas. They look well set up with fuel and spears. Well, I had breakfast this morning at Sam's Club, and which seemed to be the main sort of breakfast thing around those motels. There's a real cross section of people there, mostly sort of local retirees, sort of maybe working. We're on this road, the 95, up towards Searchlight. We've just passed Searchlight, still heading north, and it's bloody freezing. We're at 3,700 feet. It says it's 36 degrees. I've got my thicker gloves. Well, we've just pulled into McDonald's in Boulder City for a hot chocolate, and I didn't realise how cold I was. Okay, so we're going to be going around Lake Mead, possibly seeing the Hoover Dam on the way past, but the real reason for coming around here is to get to the Valley of Fire State Park. I really think it will be one of the best things that we've seen on the whole trip. The old historic train, Western Pacific. You can see actually the mountains and things are surrounding Lake Mead are quite impressive. We're going to take Lakeshore Drive. Unfortunately, I think the lake shore is getting a little bit further away these days, and it's a huge concern. Look at that view through the air. This is a national park entrance scenario. Hello there. No, I don't. Just going through to the Valley of Fire. Okay, sorry. As far as these secondary roads go, I have to say that this Lake Mead road is very smooth and well kept. And because they charge $20 for the privilege to go on it, there aren't many cars on it. Check this view out. Oh my goodness, check out those red rocks up there. Extraordinary. Look at that. Had to pop off here for my mate Roger. Look at the little oasis. Sorry Roger, I'm not going to get off, but this is Roger's Spring. Well, I've done over 200 miles to get here from Lake Havasu, but I think it's going to be worth it. Here we go, we're entering the Valley of Fire State Park. Oh my goodness. Well, the scale of those are huge. Seven Sisters. This road is about 9 miles long, and then has halfway through there's a right that you can do and no exit. That's about 6 miles, which we'll do in a minute. Must be the visitor centre up there. Wait till we look when we come back. Get out of here. Hey, look at this. Well, imagine if you didn't know about that turn off there. I did ask him, the chappie at the, you know, at the entrance, you know, about this right, and is it quite good to go up it? He did explain it really is kind of the main part. I don't know if you can spot these, but I think these are these sort of white-tail. Now look at this. Aren't they gorgeous? I should just cruise by. I kind of want to see a rattlesnake in the wild, but I kind of don't as well. To say, if you thought that we'd seen quite a bit, yeah, look how far out into the distance it goes.
Trouble with your car.
Well, we didn't get to go to Utah, but I can't help but feel that some of the grand staircase would look a bit like these rocks here. I realise it's totally different because I've seen it, but well, New Zealand had the pink and white terraces. Look at those. Well, if you come into Las Vegas and you got 3 hours or half a day or a day, this is absolutely epic. Is that driving through the gates of heaven or through hell? Hence the ring of fire. Not the ring of fire, the valley of fire.
This ain't the first time I'll be drinking you off my mind. Love is gone.
The white domes. Okay, we've reached the end of the road. I might just have to have a wee look over there.
This ain't the first time I'll be drinking you off my mind.
Look at that. This is coming back in the other direction now. Well, it's mind-blowing, frankly.
I'll leave it all behind. I wasted too much time, I've been blind. 'Cause there's no fixing what's been broken. This ain't the first time I'll be drinking you off my mind.
Whoa. Look at that.
Till I'm fine.
There's a lot to soak in the Valley of Fire. But as you can see, it is one scenic road. It'd probably have to be it for me for the whole few days actually. I mean, there've been some pretty epic roads, but this one would really have to take the biscuit. I know we've done it one way, but we're going to do it the other way. It's too good. Well, that was amazing. Look at the formations down there. How on earth is that one holding itself together? Well, I didn't get to go to Monument Valley, but I tell you what, there's been a lot of monumental stuff Seriously. And we haven't even scratched the surface of this park because there are a bunch of walks in there, and each one particularly unique in its own regard. Okay, so we're just going to leave the Valley of Fire State Park now. I don't know if you can see this. It was snowing a second ago, so I would have to say I've been exceptionally lucky, because now I'm only 40 miles from Las Vegas. Touch wood, we're pretty much home and hosed. Well, I was very lucky there. So each time I check, I was on the bike and I thought I left my iPhone just sitting there. Well, thank you very much, Las Vegas, for leaving it there. We've had the traffic coming into Vegas. I can smell some weed, so someone's smoking some. Might be the Dodge from California. And I look up there on the left, that's New York, New York. That'd be a cool one. And you got Excalibur just to the right. 900 metres to I have to go one over. Cheers, birdie. Oh yeah. All good, buddy. All good. What's going on? We got the police on both corners. Then over there. Hopefully all good. Hopefully nothing's wrong at the Howard Johnson's. David Copperfield. I wonder if that's actually David Copperfield or like his grandchild. He must be ancient now. I bet that's not the photo of now. It's like the photo of 30 years ago. Just let us in, hey, let us through. Thanks. That really brings 5 days riding to an end. Around 2,700 Ks over those 5 days. Returning now to Las Vegas, getting things organised the next day for the conference, dropping the bike back, and doing a little review too, which I'll post separately with some thoughts on the bike. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed those 5 days. Now pulling into the Howard Johnson for a rest. Cheers. Bye for now.